Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit copyright text in Shopify Dawn theme in the footer. So what we'll need to do is basically go to your control panel, click on the themes, click right here on the three dots and click on edit code. After that you'll need a little bit wait till it loads, and then you'll basically navigate through this menu on the left side. So go to the sections, then search for footer.liquid, and then click Ctrl F and search for copyright like this. And basically what we'll need to do is find where it says copyright, footer copyright caption like this. And right now where it says copy, before the copy we need to write copyright like this. And now just press space, and if we click save and refresh this page, okay, you'll see the copyright right here. And let's say you want to edit the year right here. So what you'll need to do is, before it says the date, before the curly brackets, what you'll need to do is add the date that your store was created. So let's say I created the store in 2005. Then I will click save, and then if I refresh this page, you will see that it was created 2005 till 2025. So you can add like this, and let's see if that changes so it will look better. Yep, it looks way better. So that's how you do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.